$99, and today I have a opening. It's not going to be too big, but I have a couple pro packs to open. And I also wanted to show you my team. Oh, there's there. This is my offense. I got Tom Brady and Shannon Sharp. Victor Cruz, and he was 97 speed. That's crazy. And I have a pretty good offensive line. My defense still needs some work, but it's getting there. And my special teams, I have and Adam Jones. Now for these packs, I got a Frozen Flurry also. Oh, that's pretty good, 5,000. I'll take that. Moving on to the first pro pack. Not even going to try to pronounce that. Next pro pack. Okay, nothing there. Moving on to the next pack. There we go. Logo. Page for the pack. Nothing too good yet. Let's see if we can get anything. Last player. 2 more packs. Oh, there we go. The last pack is going to be a so 2 golds again. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Madden Mobile 99 out.